Hello friends. Do you want to become a programmer? Not just an ordinary programmer, a professional programmer. For this purpose, just give me 2 months time. Just 2 months time. What you need to evolve as a professional programmer. Everything I am going to provide through my system, Indianized Organic Learning System. This is the first of its kind in India. And before that, for this purpose, you have to understand certain facts. All these facts I am going to explain in this video. Maximum I may take 10 minutes time. If you are really interested, if you are really serious about career and all that, watch this video up to the end and then understand the real spirit of that and implement it. Actually, programming is exactly like car driving. What is the similarity between programming and car driving means? Both are practical subjects. Hands-on approach is a must. That you have to understand. Okay, for this purpose, you need not wait for 2 months. Just I am giving you 4 hours master class, 4 hours free Python master class, 4 hours. The 4 hours also, you need not spend at a stretch. Just a daily half an hour. Daily 30 minutes is spent for 8 days. You complete the master class. Once you are able to complete this master class, what you need to evolve as a professional programmer, everything practically you can understand. I need not convince you at all. This is not marketing at all. I want to make you industry ready programmer. For that purpose, I have developed this system and providing to you. So after completion of this 4 hours free master class, then you can realize what is programming, whether you are compatible to this or not. You can take a decision. Thereafter, whatever you require, everything I am going to provide through my course, Python 50. What is Python 50 and all that? Another video I am going to give. You just watch the video. You can have the complete blueprint to evolve as a industry-ready professional programmer. Most students or IT career aspirants feel that programming is difficult. In my view, programming is not at all difficult. That you can experience by completing this 4 hours Python masterclass, whatever I am going to offer. Actually, here the problem is a wrong learning system. If you don't have right learning system and all that, obviously it makes the programming difficult. That point you have to understand. Here I give you an example. By that you can realize that. Actually, by road you want to reach a destination. This is the destination. In order to reach the destination on time, you require 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Right vehicle, right road, and right road map. If you have that, you can reach the destination on time according to your expectation. Here, this is the career destination. For this also, 3 R's are required. What are the 3 R's? A right system, a right strategy, and a right study plan. Study plan means it's not universal, customized according to your requirement. You have to plan your study, and then you can achieve success. So that is missing. That I am going to explain about the 3 R's in this system. First, discover the career sure path. In order to build your career on your own, you must have 4 core pillars. First, you briefly understand here. In other videos, I am going to explain them fully. The first one is conceptual command. Concept is the core. Most college students never bother about concept. For the sake of exam, they study something and want in the exam hall. That is not enough. Here, this is like a storytelling. In storytelling, in a story, 10 events are there. All 10 events you have to explain one by one. After A, B, after B, C, after C, D. Like that you have to explain. Then only it is interesting. Here also, concept is like a blueprint. Without blueprint, you cannot make any construction and all that. This point, another video, I am going to explain fully. Just understand the real spirit of that. Second one is matching communication skills. Everybody talks about communication skills. They feel that having a fluency over English. If you have fluency over English, even if you don't have subject, what you communicate? If I ask you what is function-oriented program, but you are very fluent in English, but you do not know what is pop, what is hook, how it is useful, then here matching Conceptual communication skills, that point you have to understand. That also I am going to explain in detail. Not explaining. I provide you what you require. Everything I am going to provide you through the system. Matching programming skills. Actually, from the day one, as I told you, why I have given car driving example. From the day one, how can you learn car driving? From the day one, you sit in the driving seat and learn. Today, right now, you are zero, but after a couple of days, you know everything about car. So, in the same manner, programming also you must learn. For that purpose, first of its kind in the world, I am providing Python 50. Through 50 projects, you learn and master Python. You evolve as a professional programmer. For that sample, I am giving you that a 4 hours master class is sample of the Python 50 that you have to understand. In this video, I am going to explain how it is possible, how you can perform program from the day one, thereafter global certification. Okay, you have everything, but only thing is, if you have that is optional. If you have this conceptual command programming skills, getting a global certification is not a big thing at all. It is complementary. That's why just you inquire, out of 10,000 students, one student is also not having global certification. So once you get an international certification, you will be stand out in the job market, and you will be in a position to choose your favorite job. No doubt about that. And understand these 4 points practically and implement. Already, I told you, programming is like learning car driving. Now, I just briefly explain about this analogy that is very, very important. You want to learn car driving. It is not possible in the classroom. 100% it is not possible in the classroom. How you can learn? Simply sitting in the driving seat and start learning. Right now, you are zero. But after a couple of days, I ask you, what are the components? Then you can explain about what is clutch, what is brake, what is the accelerator, what is gear, what is steering, what are the road signals, what are the do's, what are the don'ts. Everything you can explain just within a couple of days. How it is possible, you know. Programming also just like that you have to learn. Simply learning concept is not enough, and learning programming also not enough. Combined one. Just a simple example I give you. By that you can realize that what is knowledge, what is skill. Actually, you know the recipe of a dish. Let us say biryani. You know the recipe of biryani. Just a recipe, knowledge. And if you are able to prepare biryani according to the recipe, that is a skill. Both are essential. Knowledge is essential. Without recipe, you cannot prepare. And simply preparing without knowing recipe also, it is not professionalism at all. That's why exactly the approach, the learning approach of car driving is applicable for programming also. In that manner, just in the learning car driving spirit, if you learn programming, then you become master just within 2 months. That I give you the guarantee. That only Python 50 program. By performing 50 programs and projects, you become master. In real world parlance, program, project, software, these words are used interchangeably. But for our purpose, you find a difference between program and project. Program. Program means we have to learn, in order to learn and master a language, we have to learn many elements. For example, if else is a one tool, one element. Loops, other elements. So, in order to learn the functionality of if else practically, we write a program that is meant for learning the functionality of if else. In the same way, loop also. In that way, individual elements will learn. This is like learning about every tool in the toolkit of a technician. Thereafter, project. Project is bigger thing. Actually, here first you learn about A, learn about B, learn about C, learn about D. These are tools. Individually learn. But project means is an identifiable task. Preparing a student's mark report, preparing a price list of items, preparing stock exchanges, Sensex report, like this and all that. For this purpose, actually collectively, suppose A tool is required, D tool is required, F tool is required, M tool is required, Z tool is required. Then only you can develop a project. That is the difference. Actually, in our master class itself, I give you 4 programs, the tool-wise program, and 6 projects I am going to give. That's why I'm telling you the difference. You can practically understand the difference. So in this master class, 4 programs you perform, 5 concepts you first learn, because conceptual understanding is a must. Second one is 4 programs you perform and 5 projects you perform. Now I explain about our distinction. Because of this distinction only, you are able to write programs and projects from day one. That point you have to understand. First, you understand our strategy. This is a first of its kind. You may not find it anywhere else in the world. Okay, here you see 2 ladders are there. First one is farmer learning approach. Second one is fast track learning approach. That is our approach. Actually, in farmer learning approach, this is a college oriented approach. In colleges and all that, if you are a programming student, you understand that. Sometimes they teach, like, let us say 1 week, they teach some concepts and all that. There are periodically you are taken to lab. Then you have to experiment. By that, no concept is in your brain. It is quite abstract and all that. That's why you can't get knowledge, and you cannot transform that knowledge into programming skills. That is the basic problem. Here, like car driving, every time I use the word car driving, actually, from the day one, whatever concept, now you learnt A concept and apply into program A. You learnt B concept, apply into program A, B. Like that, whatever concept you learn, whatever knowledge you acquired, simply apply in the relevant program. Then your knowledge is converted into skill. Your recipe is converted into dish. That point you have to understand. Here we are going to apply that. In master class itself, I need not give you so much description and all that. In our 4 hours master class, you understand all this fact and experience that, not just understanding. Thereafter, you may not believe this. First week you complete your master class. If you feel this is good and all that, then you continue that. Otherwise, just ignore that. I don't mind. Okay, next second week onwards, you develop projects. How 100 plus lines projects you develop? How it is possible? You get it out. Okay, I have to clear that. How it is. However, in the second week itself, we experience that, and I show you. This is a project, multi-level project, scalable project. This is level 1. With the first master class, you are able to write this around 30 lines program. Very comfortably write. Thereafter, you go to level 2. Level 2 also, let us say 30. Now, here this contributes 50%. Level 1 contributes 50% for level 2. Then comfortably, whatever elements you require and all that, everything I explain. Then that strategy also I will explain just after a minute. So you complete level 2, 60 lines program. Thereafter, you go to level 3. This is extension of that. And whatever knowledge you gained and all that, it contributes to 75% for this. Whatever additionally you need, everything I am going to explain here. You do this. Then you go to level 4. This is the ultimate one. Then it contributes, this knowledge contributes 90% for that. Then without your knowledge, you can complete 100 plus lines program on your own from the real life angle, real world project and all that. Okay. So that is the strategy. I need not tell you 100 things and all that. Once there is a saying, before tasting, why should I describe the taste? Just within 4 hours you are understanding it. Why should I describe so much? That's why I don't want to give you much more detail, but you may get it out. What about concepts? Actually, part of this course, I am providing you a video book. Video book means textbook and 60 hours of DVDs, lectures. So here 300 concepts are there, and 200 programs are there. And this video book I am going to provide to you, and whatever concept you require to do this, everything, suppose 3.1, 4.2, 5.3, these concepts are required. Then you watch the concept, then you can do the, never get it out. But I recommend you study everything like a story. You study A, B, C, D, 26 concepts are there. All 26 concepts you study. By that you master. This is our strategy. And watch another 3 videos are there. You watch everything, because in one video I dumped everything and all that, just to skip it. So basic facts I have given to you, and in other videos I give a detailed, suppose let us say conceptual communication skills. That is a different subject. Entire world ignored it, but I am finding a solution and providing it to you. Wish you all the best.